Hello everyone, welcome to Muller Academy. This is the fourth video of MCQ based mega revision series. This also includes questions from environmental issues. So, the very first question is, if there was no carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere, what would be the temperature of Earth? Higher than the present environment, less than the present environment, or it would be same, or it would depend on the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. If you have seen our previous video, we have already discussed this part. So the answer is it would be less than the present, because in absence of this greenhouse effect caused by CO2, the temperature of Earth would have been minus 18 degrees centigrade. Uh, so this actually makes Earth habitable. The temperature of Earth is habitable because of this effect. So coming to the next question, at atmosphere of metropolitan cities is polluted most by automobile exhaust, pesticide residues, household waste, or radioactive fallout. So this is an easy one. The answer is automobile exhaust. As everyone knows, the vehicle numbers are very high in metropolitan cities. So, this is the main cause of pollution in big cities, major cause of. The third question is, sound becomes hazardous noise pollution at which level? Above 30 decibel, above 80 decibel, above 100 decibel, or above 120 decibel? So, the answer is above 80 decibel. Once again, we have discussed this in our previous video. We have actually given a table where the permissible limit at day and night is reported at different places like schools and hospitals. So you can go and watch. It will help you. So the next question is, polyblend, a fine powder of recycled modified plastic, has proven to be a good material for making plastic sacks, use as a fertilizer, construction of roads, or making tubes and pipes. So answer to this is for construction of road. The third option is correct here. It can be used in the construction of roads. There is a case study provided in NCRT. This is very good case study. You should go and read it, or you can watch our video also. We have uh, shown this. Ahmed Khan, uh, a person named Ahmed Khan, he proved that mixture of polyblend and bitumen both can be used to lay roads. And polyblend can increase the water repellent capacity of bitumen, and it helps the life of road by factor of 3. So this was a very good case study. Just take a look on this one. So next question is, a river with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in drying of the river very soon due to algal bloom, or increased population of aquatic food web organisms, or increased population of fish due to biodegradable nutrients, and the last option is death of fishes due to lack of oxygen. This is a question of eutrophication actually. So here the answer would be death of fishes due to lack of oxygen. So previously we discussed the eutrophication, where the nutrient level of uh, water body increases, and a lot of population of phytoplanktons increases very severely, and by respiration they consume a lot of oxygen, so the oxygen level in the water body decreases. So that's no more remains uh, breathable. The fishes cannot take oxygen because oxygen level reduces too much. So biological oxygen demand of that particular water body will be high, but the dissolved oxygen would be low. So the answer would be death of fishes due to lack of oxygen. So the next question is, sudden death of fishes in mass is likely in, this is the, you can answer from the earlier question. The options are mesotrophic lake, oligotrophic lake, salt lake, or eutrophic lake. So as I discussed, it would be eutrophic lake. As discussed in previous question, the organic pollutants provide nutrient for stimulating growth of algae and other plants. So phytoplankton population increases. So algal bloom reduces the availability of light to submerged plants which get killed. The dead submerged plants are consumed by microbes and they consume oxygen in decomposition. It's actually the microbes, they use oxygen in decomposing these dead submerged plants. This reduces the availability of oxygen for the life of other organisms, and this causes the death of organisms like fishes and mass death of fishes. So this process is called eutrophication of lakes. Next question is, Rachel Carson's famous book Spring is related to what? Noise pollution, population explosion, ecosystem management, or pesticide pollution? The answer is, it's related to pesticide pollution. The book's name is actually not Spring, it's Silent Spring. So just correct this. The book's name is Silent Spring, and it reveals the harmful effect of DDT, a pesticide. And this book influenced the national policy on pesticides used in many countries over the world. So we have discussed this in our previous video also, you can go and see. So coming to next question, the disease caused by eating fish found in water contaminated with industrial waste having mercury is Minamata disease, Bright's disease, Hashimoto's disease, or osteosclerosis. So the answer to this is Minamata disease. It is a type of neurological disorder which is caused by mercury poisoning, and it uh, affects the central nervous system, which is damaged by methyl mercury. It was first reported in Japan. So coming to next question, which of these is a pollution related to occupational hazard? Mean occupational hazards means if you're exposed to something while you're working at your workplace, at your office, or whatever workplace, if open area, so that is called an occupational hazard. So the options are asthma. You may find few, maybe a lot of spelling mistakes. Just please understand this. This is asthma, fluorosis, pneumoconiosis, or silicosis. So the answer to this is silicosis. This is caused by exposure to dust containing silica. So the sites where cement is made at that places or used too much, at those places the people working, they are suffered with silicosis. This is an occupational hazard. The next question is, actually the last question is, which of the following protocols did aim for reducing emission of CFCs in the atmosphere? Kyoto Protocol, Geneva Protocol, Montreal Protocol, or Gothenburg Protocol? So the answer to this question is Montreal Protocol. The Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer is an international agreement made in 1987. It was designed to stop the production and import of ozone depleting substances and reduce their concentration in atmosphere to help the protect the ozone layer on earth, in earth atmosphere. So this is it for today's video. If you learned something, just like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know if you want some other topics, and just let us know your views. Thank you very much.